Welcome back to Mama Quatang's channel. For today's video, mag-unboxing tayo sa mga regalo. So, Happy New Year 2023! But before anything else, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. So, are you excited? Let's go! Okay guys, let's start sa pag-unboxing natin sa mga regalo since sa Pasko, sa New Year, at saka my birthday gift. Okay? So, pero una sa lahat, ang una kong buksan ay gift for myself. Guys, kailangan treat yourself. So, ako, every year, kailangan may gift ako para sa sarili ko. Na yun talagang gustong-gusto ko. So, ayan. So, let's start! Gift for myself. Ako, kailangan bilisan ko ito. Take note, it's a Marc Jacob. Ayan. Kalat dito. Tanan! Ayan. Marc Jacob. Ito talaga yung wish ko. At saka may may pa-handle. Ayan. Yeah. Bonggang-bongga ang gift for myself. Okay? Ayan. So, next is a gift from Joshua. Ayan. Happy birthday! So, ayan. Tingnan natin kung anong ayan, tagal. Agay. Ikatra na. To Mama, Merry Christmas and Happy Birthday. Ayan, i-transfer. Mag-i-transfer lang daw siya sa gift for me. Okay, and next is ito yung gift ni Earl. Tingnan natin kung ano yung gift ni Earl for me. It's a power bank. Ayan, thank you. So next is a gift from Papa Q. Okay. So, sabi nila, pag magbukas ng gift, kailangan ganyan. Wow! It's a food processor. Ayan, ito yung hinahanap-hanap ko guys na kailangan ko talaga sa kitchen for making lumpia Shanghai. Ayan, food processor. And next, meron kaming family friend na nagbigay at saka talagang dineliver nila. Ito, na-intriga ako guys kasi ang laki. Ang laki. Ayan, chocolate. Toffee. And then, wow, ano ito? Oh my goodness. It's a 10-piece set. Yan, 10-piece set. So, alam talaga nila na mahilig ako sa food, mahilig ako magluto. Ayan, ang ganda. Take note. Oh my god. I love it. Yeah. Okay. Ayan, 10-piece set na mga baunan. At meron din nagpadala ng kararating lang ng package. Ano to? Oh wow! This is my favorite talaga. A guess. Guess na pang summer. Ayan. So mine na. Kung sinong gustong mag-mine. Joke lang. And next is wow! I have a gift from my friend. Naku, parang bonggang-bongga to ha. Wow! This is a Burberry scarf.
Mine! Pakimine!
Pakimine na lang. Yan. Oh my God. I love it. Wow. Bonggang-bongga. Okay, thank you, my friend. Oh, ang daming basura na. Ayan, meron pang isang. Oh, wow! I love this. Ayan, dress na Mochino. Okay. Thank you, my friend. Oh, dalawa pala, no? And then, yung isa ay Chanel. Paano ba i-pronounce? Chanel? Chanel. Chanel. Ayan, bonggang-bongga ang mga regalo ko ngayon sa birthday at sa Pasko. And then, also meron din kaming family friend na nagbigay. Ayan, from, basahin ko. Okay. Ate and Kuya, Christmas is the perfect time to tell you how warmly you're appreciated. Thank you. Love, Juby's Cat and Sak. Oh, thank you very much. Ano to? OMG, talagang alam ng mga friends natin, guys, na mahilig tayo sa kitchen. So, isa sa bamboo cheese board set. Ayan. Oh, maganda, no? Ang ganda. Very thoughtful ang mga friends. And then, ngayon, early in the morning, meron akong 2 ate. Happy birthday po! Sabino family. Wow! Ayan. Oh my God. Japanese cherry blossom. Oh, okay. Thank you, Eileen. And then, meron pa isa. Ano ba ito? Ate, Tata, Kuya Yani and family, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. The Sabino family. Ayan, ano to? Oh, wow! Ang dami, no? Chocolate. So, and then, truffles. Thank you, Sabino family. And ito din, talagang lahat ng family friends namin, this is from Chua family. Merry Christmas for Yani and family. May every little thing bring you joy this Christmas. Wishing you peace and good health this Christmas and beyond. Best regard, Chua family. Ayan, isang set na lulutuin for, pasta, merong spaghetti, at saka merong olive oil, merong sauce. Ayan, complete na complete. Kompleto. Ayan, meron ding isang nagbigay na friend. Ay, wow, it's a laundry bag. Ang dami. And, naku, mahirap buksan to. Wow, pajama set. It's, love Ricky's pajama set. And the last but not the least, thanks to Mars Fashion, pinadalhan niya ako ng libre na keychain. Oh, ayan. So, mine na guys, kung ano yung nagustuhan yung mga regalo. Oh, joke lang. So, that's it for our unboxing time sa mga regalos natin from Christmas, New Year, at saka pa-birthday gift. So, thank you very much guys for watching and wishing you all the best for 2023. Na ang number one prayer ko para sa ating lahat ay good health. Kasi yan ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, guys. Wala tayong magawa sa buhay pag meron tayong sakit. Kaya kailangan i-pray natin good health talaga. Thank you guys for watching. I love you.